Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of How to Get Started in Crypto. It's not the official title, something I just made up right here on the spot. But today we are going to go over something very exciting. If you have absolutely never bought or sold crypto in your life, the only place you've ever heard of was from a friend or from the New York Times, Wall Street Journal. You've heard of the name, but you've never actually played around in it. This episode is for you. The only thing you need to do to follow along is you need something with a working internet connection. You need some kind of governmental ID, and you're going to need a valid and working email address and a bank account. And if you have all these things, I have good news for you. You too can get started in trading and buying Doge coins if you like. So first, what we're going to start out with is right here. We want to go to Coinbase.com. And now this is going to be the best platform for you to buy and sell crypto, especially if you're in the US, and especially if you live in the same state I live in, which is New York. You want to be here because other platforms, for example, if you buy and sell crypto on Robinhood, you may be able to buy and sell crypto. But you won't be able to use your crypto for the things that crypto was made to do. You won't be able to buy and sell other things with your crypto. You will not be able to send and receive your cryptocurrencies to and from other people. The things that crypto initially started out doing, you won't be able to do those things if you use some of the other platforms. But with Coinbase, you can do everything. So it's great. And let's see how to get started. So the first thing you want to do is click right here, this big blue button on the top right of the screen. You want to click that sign up button, and you just want to go here and type in your name. So I'm going to type in my name, and right here we are going to go over step by step how to create a Coinbase account. And I'm going to use one of my burner emails. Crimson. It's going to be Crimson Crypto 12@gmail.com, right? This is one of my throwaway emails that I use sometimes for cryptocurrency. And you want to set a nice, strong password right here on the bottom, just to make sure you are secure. Okay, so I'm going to type in a random password. And I'm not going to tell you guys what it is because that would be insecure. Okay, so make sure to type in what state you reside in because you are going to have to verify your identity later if you plan to unlock all the features of Coinbase. So we're going to click the New York here, right? Because I personally live in New York. And I'm going to go right here. I'm going to hit create account. We're going to hit this. And don't forget to check this blue box right here. After you check that box, make sure you hit this big blue create account button. And give it a couple of seconds. Okay, we're going to get a confirmation screen very shortly. Okay, it's loading. Give it a couple more seconds. We're not going to save our password. Okay, that would be insecure, and this is a YouTube video, so I don't want to accidentally leak my password out here. But voila! Okay, we are confirmed. Okay, and as a bonus, you actually get, so Coinbase is giving out a free $5 in Bitcoin. Now, disclaimer, this video is not being sponsored by Coinbase. I'm just promoting it because I feel like it's the best solution for people to get set up when you're first starting out with Bitcoin, okay? There's other methods, but for most people, this is going to be the best one. Okay, now we're going to click continue, okay? Okay, and we send a verification email to get started. Now, I'm not going to reveal my email here. I'm actually going to go on my phone right here off the screen and just verify my email really quickly. So I'm going to go to my email address. Okay, I'm going to click into your email. And if you're following along, if you're following along, make sure you're getting that verification email in your Gmail. If you don't get the email, click the email didn't arrive button right here. Okay, but if all goes well, you should be able to verify your email right in your inbox. And boom, I click the button, goes right through. And here you're going to want to enter a phone number. Now, this I can't. This phone number, I think we can put in my real phone number. I'm just going to use it. I'm going to trust everyone here not to leak this, not to abuse this phone number right here. But I'm going to try just, let's see. I'm just going to use my phone number. Okay, and we're going to click the send code button. And right here, you are going to get a text message. Okay, right, you're going to get a text message on the phone number that you just got. And it's important, whenever Coinbase texts you a verification code like this, whenever they send a phone to your cell phone, never ever give that code to anyone, okay? Because if they have that code, then they can get into your Coinbase account. So you want to keep that set. You want to keep that number safe and secure. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to type in the code I just received. All right, I'm going to click the submit button right here. And right here, you have to verify your identity, okay? Because other states, they may or may not require you to do this, but if you live in New York, right, and you have a New York driver's license, this is what you need to go through, which is, honestly, it's kind of annoying. New York has, in my opinion, one of the least friendly crypto. It's one of the states that are least crypto friendly. But, for now, we're not going to change where we live. So we are just going to go ahead and fill this out. I'm going to edit all this out. So when you see this as a live video, you won't be able to see the personal information here. But make sure to be truthful if you're filling this out, okay? Obviously, don't lie. Don't fill in false information. Fill in the real information because this Coinbase, they're going to actually verify your identity. So you don't want to lie on this form. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, fill this out right here. Click this continue button. And just wait for it to confirm a little bit. And boom! Okay, once you fill that out, congratulations. You are in Coinbase and you are ready. Okay, not quite ready yet, but you are in the system. This is going to be, for most people, this is the base camp of where you want to be in crypto. Okay. You can see right here, we have the crypto, we have the classic Bitcoin loaded up on the watch list. Okay, we have some promotions going on. We have a buy and sell button here on the top, this is the button that you care about. And we also have the send and receive button on the top. Okay, so we already have a Coinbase account. Now we need to add, and this is one of the things I mentioned you would need earlier in this video, you are going to need a bank account or a debit card or a payment method, okay? You're going to need a way to pay for your crypto. I think it makes sense.
If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and then remember to click the little bell icon so you get notifications. To Intercoin, making crypto mainstream.